Are local businesses really using AI to get ahead of the competition without you even realizing it? Well, the truth is lots of small businesses are already using AI to stream operations, like boost marketing and increase sales. But what exactly are these AI secrets that they're not telling you? So in this video, we're going to expose the hidden AI secrets that local businesses are using to stay ahead of the game and how you can start using them too. From chatbots to analytics, we're going to dive into the world of AI and uncover the secrets that are going to help take your business to the next level. So hi, I'm Keith Hearn, 5 Point Design and Marketing, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at exactly how these businesses are leveraging AI to crush the competition in local search results. We're going to take a look at content optimization for your Google business profile, how to run smarter ad campaigns, and engage with customers like never before. So if you're ready to learn how AI can give your business that competitive edge, stick around and let's dive in. So the first way that local businesses are using AI to outrank the competition is by automating content creation for local SEO. There's tools like ChatGPT, of course, and Jasper, and others that can help you generate high-quality, location-specific content in minutes. So think about creating content like a blog post that says something like the top 5 places to get your service in your city, or just by creating FAQs that answer common questions that people have in your area. AI also help you write optimized meta descriptions and headers for your website pages that include local keywords, which this will help boost your chances of showing up in the local search results. Plus, by creating consistent, valuable content targeting your city or neighborhood, you're signaling to Google that your business is the go-to resource in your area. Now, the best part, AI saves you time and effort so you can focus on the other parts of your business while staying competitive in that local search result. It's like having a personal SEO assistant that works for you 24/7. Now, the second way that local businesses are using AI for their local rankings is by optimizing their Google business profile listings. AI tools can help you write compelling business descriptions, create posts, and even craft responses to customer reviews. Now with AI, you can generate content that's not only keyword rich, but also tailored to your specific locations, helping your profile stand out in the local search results. Now, AI can also analyze your competitors' profiles, suggesting optimization strategies that will give you an edge. So for example, if you notice competitors are getting more visibility by using certain keywords or responding to reviews more often, AI can actually help incorporate some similar tactics in your own profile. Now additionally, AI-powered sentiment analytics can help you better understand your customer feedback and improve your responses by creating a more positive image for your business. And the result? A fully optimized Google business profile that boosts your rankings and builds trust with local customers. Now, another powerful way that local businesses are using AI that we're seeing is to improve their local ad targeting. Now, platforms like Google Ads use AI and machine learning to optimize campaigns in real time, helping you to reach the right audience more efficiently. AI analyzes user behavior, search patterns, and location data to ensure that your ads are seen by potential customers who are the most likely to convert. So for example, if you're running a promotion for your restaurant, AI can target users searching for the best restaurant near me within your city, right when you're most likely to be looking for that perfect place to eat. Now, it also adjusts bid optimizations to maximize your budget, ensuring that you get the best return on investment. Now, with AI-driven insights, you can refine your ad strategies, reduce wasted ad spend, and focus on what really works. And the result for this? More traffic, more leads, and a stronger local presence without the guesswork. So the fourth and final way that local businesses are leveraging AI that we see is by using AI chatbots to enhance customer engagement. Now, these chatbots, they run 24/7, providing instant responses to common questions like, what are your business hours, or do you offer blank service? Now, this not only improves the customer experience, but it also helps reduce the workload on your team. AI chatbots can be programmed to handle location-specific inquiries, like giving directions or informing customers about nearby promotions. And here's the best part. By keeping users engaged longer and providing quick answers, chatbots can boost your key engagement metrics like time on site, which can positively impact your local search rankings. This is an indicator to Google the longer someone stays on your website that they are finding the information that they're looking for, so they'll start to rank you higher for this. So whether it's on your website, social media, or even throughout messaging apps, AI chatbots ensure that your business stays the most responsive and available while making it easier for customers to connect with you anytime and anywhere. So there you have it, 4 powerful ways that local businesses are using AI to outrank their competitors. So from automating content creation and optimizing your Google business profile to improving local ad targeting and enhancing customer engagement with chatbots, AI offers opportunities to really boost your local search rankings. And the best part is that these tools are accessible and can save you time while delivering real results. So if you're ready to stay ahead of the competition, start experimenting with AI today and see how it works for your business. If you get stuck on anything, let us know and we're happy to help out. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe for more SEO tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.